Sneezes almost stop hearts, not because your body is dramatic, but because a sneeze is a full-body system reboot that nobody asked for. When you sneeze, pressure explodes through your chest so fast it messes with blood flow and briefly nudges your heart's rhythm, like someone bumping a table during a delicate operation. Your heart does not stop. It just stumbles for a split second, does a confused little reset, and keeps going like nothing happened. That is why people swear their soul left their body mid-sneeze. Why your vision flashes, your muscles lock up, and time feels weird for half a second. Your lungs fire like cannons. Your diaphragm panics. Your nerves light up, and your heart goes, "Hello, are we running or dying?" Then everything snaps back online, and you pretend that did not just feel mildly terrifying. It is not dangerous for healthy people, but it is hilarious that one dusty nose hair can temporarily throw your most important organ into mild confusion. Like, please warn me next time.